Bonjour, bonjour, salut. Je m'appelle Lina. My name is Lina. Congratulations on learning a new language, French. Bienvenue, welcome. It's always great to start a new language. As you're learning French, you're going to discover a new world, a new culture, make new friends, maybe create new opportunities for yourself, and maybe discover a new side of yourself too. Just a quick word about myself. I'm from Paris. I have been teaching languages for around 15 years. I can speak 3 languages fluently, including Mandarin Chinese. So the more you're going to learn languages, then the easier it becomes to learn languages. The parts of your brain dedicated to languages are going to expand, and soon you're going to find yourself jumping from a language to another more easily than you think. So don't worry too much about mixing languages. It's part of the fun. Let your brain flow and just enjoy the flow of your learning journey, and time will do the rest. So I will be with you all the way through to support you, to help you, answer your questions, to guide you through. Now, are you ready to start your new French adventure? Yes? So, let's do it together. C'est parti. Allez.